Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your computer appears to be correctly configured, but the device or resource DNS server is not responding. First method is update network adapter driver. Second method is rollback network adapter driver if available. Third method is uninstall network adapter driver. Fourth method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Change DNS server addresses. Fifth method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.